you ever forgotten to set your alarm clock and woke up anyways? Have you stayed up late studying and felt tired and confused? These occurrences are fueled by the most powerful alarm clock in the world, the circadian rhythm. It shouldn't come as a surprise that all living organisms have a circadian rhythm. The word circadian rhythm comes from circadian, meaning approximately a day. The circadian rhythm controls the three big habits: eating, sleeping, and mating. But this is just a small part of this job. Not only does it control these three, but it also controls natural bodily functions. The main regulator of the circadian rhythm is located in the hypothalamus, a small region of the brain. The hypothalamus is responsible for connecting the nervous system to the endocrine system. This regulator is called the suprachiasmatic nucleus and is connected to the optic nerve, which responds to light. Unlike rod and cone cells inside your eye, you have photosensitive retinal ganglion cells connected to the suprachiasmatic nucleus. These cells send signals when brightness is detected that cause natural oscillations throughout the day. That means that in the morning, this sends signals to raise temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure, and delay sleep hormones like melatonin. From this reaction, we are in a cognitive best in late morning, followed by an afternoon lull. Athletic performance spikes in the late afternoon, and this follows a 24-hour cycle. This afternoon lull from 2 to 3 p.m. shows that napping is natural. In fact, no other species exhibits a once-a-day sleeping pattern like humans. At the end of the day, when the sun starts to disappear, organs shift into low gear and the body releases sleep hormones like melatonin. However, in modern society, we are constantly fighting the circadian rhythm because we are exposed to light after the sun has set from screens and other devices. This confuses the brain and causes disruptions to our life. These disruptions have been shown to cause diabetes, obesity, depression, heart disease, dementia, and even cancer. It has been shown that up to 15% of genes are regulated by the circadian rhythm. An interesting note is that even when kept in complete darkness for over 24 hours, the circadian rhythm continues on just fine. However, when exposed to too much, too little, or brightness at the wrong time, it leaves the rhythm confused. Ever wonder why it's so hard to take care of a baby? That's because babies do not have a sense of circadian rhythm for the first 3 months of their life, leaving them to wake up in the middle of the night. It has been proven that teenagers have a naturally later starting circadian rhythm. This maybe points to the fact that we should start school maybe 1 to 2 hours later. The circadian rhythm is a massive part of our lives that we should appreciate and not abuse. Maybe try to get a couple hours of sleep extra tonight and shut off your devices. Sleep well.